Hey guys, in this video, I'm thrilled to share the MADFUT 24 mod, working seamlessly on both Android and iOS devices. Let me dive into the game, and as you can see, my account is loaded with an incredible amount of points and packs. These resources are completely unlimited, and I'm here to guide you on how to make it happen. But before we dive in, let's tweak some settings on our devices. First up, I'll walk you through the process on an iPhone. Then we'll switch over to an Android device. Start by going to your iPhone settings and tap on the General tab. Ensure that the background app refresh option is enabled, allowing apps to update in the background for the latest content. You can leave it enabled for Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular data, depending on your preference. Now, head to the battery settings. Make sure your phone isn't in low power mode. Just toggle it off. Now that we've got the iPhone settings sorted, you're all set to use the MADFUT 24 mod. Open your internet browser and visit injectelite.com, a hub for app injection and modded apps. Once there, use the search bar to locate MADFUT 24. Click on the app in the search results, then hit the Start Injection button. Be patient. The injection process may take a few minutes. Once it's done, wait a couple more minutes, and voila, the app should be on your device. Now let's shift our focus to Android devices. There's just one setting to check. Ensure your battery saver feature is disabled. If it's off, you're good to go. The remaining steps are identical to those on an iPhone. Open your browser, go to injectelite.com, find MADFUT, start the injection process, and wait for the installation. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks a bunch for watching, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video. Take care, and farewell.